Riding that choo-choo train would be so much fun.
Wow, we are in the magical world of the train.
And Labubu toy came to life, but it became an evil Labubu. Oh no! Kids are in danger!
Always fasten your seatbelt in transport.
The train is speeding up. It's not safe. How do we stop Labubu? It seems Baby Bear is up to something.
Do not open windows in transport. It's unsafe.
Let's clean up your chaos.
Don't worry, we just drove into the tunnel.
You must not touch grown-up devices. They are not toys. How can we fix everything?
Let's fix the lever with a smile and stop the train.
We are rushing toward another train. Labubu, we can't cope without you. We need teamwork. Hooray! You've learned all the rules and stopped the train. Well done! Help! Somebody stole baby Labubu's toy car.
Give back the toy car. If you catch me, I'll give it back.
Huh?
We will get the toy car back.
Wow! Piccoletta has turned into a train too! But can Piccoletta catch the girl thief and get the toy car back? Wow! Piccoletta is such a pretty train now!
Kids, running and jumping while on the train isn't safe.
That's right, kids! Look! Labubu kids learned the rule and Piccoletta got bigger and faster. Kids! help Piccoletta go even faster. Looks like the kids need to learn one more safety rule.
Ew!
Kids, the emergency brake is not a toy. Use it only in emergencies.
And Piccoletta keeps racing, even bigger and stronger than before. Piccoletta still can't catch the girl thief. Will she ever get the toy car back?
Sorry, but your toy car broke along the way. But I have something even better.
Labubu kids learned another important rule. Or the Labubu family will have more fun adventures soon. Wow, it looks like a magic train. Oh no, Piccoletta has turned into a puzzle. Good job. You can't pass a turnstile without a ticket. The last piece is so easy to get. Oh no! We have to grab the last piece. Hooray! You've saved Piccoletta. Oh no! Mom has turned into a zombie. Great! Baby Bear has found the zombie mom. Kids, that's not your mom. That's Labubu. It is too dark here.
Huh?
Good job! Mom can't turn Dad into a zombie. Now you need to remove the green color from her. That didn't help. You can do better. Everything's got worse.
Kids, don't forget about soap.
Great job! You've managed! Yay! The family's finally going to watch a cartoon with Labubu. Look, the girl thief has stolen a bunch of sweets. It seems like it will be difficult to catch girl thief.
Never jump into a maintenance hole. It's dangerous.
Oh.
Oh no! The girl thief is up to something again.
What if we all became cars?
It all starts in the driving center. Baby Bear just needs a bigger brush to wash his car. Wow! It looks like Baby Bear has turned into a little baby car.
Stop! That's mine!
Girl thief has broken the hydrant. What will happen now? Oh no! This is a real flood. Baby Bear needs to save everybody. Look! Baby Unicorn thinks she can stop the flood. Be careful, Baby Unicorn. That was the wrong choice. Let's give it one more try. Hooray! Baby Unicorn has fixed the hydrant.
Baby Unicorn! Take my blaster away from the girl before she does something bad!
The balloon seller will fly away now. Oh no! Who will save the balloon seller and Baby Unicorn? Go ahead, Baby Cat. You can do it. Don't give up, Baby Cat. You need to give it another try.
The girl has stolen my blaster!
Don't worry, we'll stop her.
All the cars have gathered together, and now they will stop Girl Thief. Who will save the kids on the carousel? Dad, you are a real hero. Wow! Dad car and the little baby cars have saved everyone.
You can't take other belongings without asking.